punching out a little bit. Here we are in the kitchen. Amazing kitchen. I guess we could just walk around real quick. It's got it's a tight footprint, right? We're in Beacon Hill. Like, what is this? Like 14 feet wide, 16 feet wide, this whole house. So there's not a lot of room for a kitchen, especially on the main level where you're kind of walking through. So, you got this kind of walkway back here, but I think the design's great, and I feel like it really works. So, we've got everything we need in this kitchen. We got 2 sinks, beautiful soapstone counters, looking great. I love this like backsplash detail, kind of super classic, and you got this kind of like cased opening that sort of like lands on the backsplash, which is very cool. Just a sink base here, and then this, our dishwasher right here next to the sink. We have these, we're kind of like, we have a party wall right behind here, and we really want to have a lot of volume and cubic feet in the area, so it feels really open. So these are kind of pushed back, but you can see they're just very shallow cabinets, top and bottom. And then we've got this kind of flip down, which is sort of like a utility surface kind of thing. Moving around, just normal, typical 3 drawers on each side. There's our induction range. Again, like the soapstone's killer. And then with this full backsplash, with this mitered around for that chase, there's some plumbing, refrigerant lines and stuff like that that run all the way from the utility room, which is below here, or the mechanical room, which is below here, all the way to the rooftop. So that's what this bump out is. Brings the hood out a little bit. Nice, classic, simple hood. Nothing crazy. This is cool. We're having glass shelves in here, but some artisan made, leaded glass doors by who? Corey?
Dan Mayer.
Dan Mayer.
In Cambridge.
Shout out to Dan Mayer in Cambridge. Nice work, buddy. And we have some other leaded glass upstairs. And then before we kind of bring you around the island, we can look at the end here. We've got our trash and a drawer comes with a little bit of job site stuff, but 2 trash barrels and a drawer on the end. Similar thing on the other end, and then moving across, we have 3 drawers. This is actually a blank because we've got this pull-out drawer here, so that's a blank panel. 3 drawers, another sink base, another 3 drawers, another blank panel because we have that same setup on the other side, which this is just sheet storage so that you drop in from the top. So pretty cool stuff. Very nice details, like you'll notice, or you may not notice, but I'll point it out. Like, island has a square face frame. It's got OG sticking on the door and drawer panels. But if you spin around over here, the face frame is beaded. So we got beaded inset here, square edge there, and then this is a twin or a mirror image of the other walnut unit on the other side. But this has that same OG sticking, and it's got the beaded face frame. But yeah, see another one of those flip downs. And then we have this kind of pantry wall, which is a pantry. We have a microwave going in there, but just pantry shelves, some deep drawers. And then here we've got our Sub-Zero fridge with freezer drawers, which is pretty useful. Nice big fridge, especially for this small kitchen. And I love these things because it's just especially in a small area, just like very efficient, usable storage with these pull-out pantries, top and bottom. I like actually how they're segmented. Sometimes we do, you know, a full height pantry. Gets a little heavy, gets a little hard to manage, maybe sometimes comes out of alignment. So breaking them up like that is a great idea. You know, just kind of like looking at the other detailing, like the crown, how it lays onto the ceiling, multi-piece crown, you know, like under cabinet lights, very nice like detailing on the bottom here. Just overall a well-designed kitchen, and definitely well executed by the team on fabrication and installation. So classic kitchen, looking good.